Why don't you turn around?
Stop it. My car is a 1972 Pontiac LeMans Sport 350 convertible. My dad bought it in 1975, has had it ever since. I've coveted it ever since I was probably 14 years old. It had been garaged for many, many years and not even driven, so the interior torn up, dashboard cracked all over the place. A lot of rust, a lot of dents, a lot of pock marks, a lot of divots. Just about every part of it needed touched. It wasn't usable, and if I was going to use it, I didn't want to go halfway with it. It's been a long time, and I'm just dying to drive it. It's going to be a joy. It's going to be absolutely every day. It's nice. It's going to be out.
Why don't you turn around?
Stop it. That's the way it's supposed to look. That is exactly the way it's supposed to look.
There you go. Well,
I'm going to turn it on. Can I turn it on?
go for it.
Nice and heavy. See? That's what it's supposed to sound like. Wow. This is exciting. Look, I don't want to touch it. Let's see it all put together. Brand new. That is phenomenal. Wow. Even the paint detail inside, come on. And that's the way it's usually gonna be. We had a couple missed starts for sure in other places. Car had been moved out of the garage I had left it with. They wouldn't tell me where the car was. It sat. I was told things, they weren't happening. Did get the police involved in that one, as a matter of fact. So, you know, it was not happy. It was really stressful. I was at the point where I thought I'd lost the car. Like, it was not salvageable. My advice would just find the right place, be 100% honest, and be ready to wait. But the wait will be worth it. I always hate being emotional about things, but it was a connection moment with my dad and I. We would go out in it. I'd help him put it away every winter. It was just what he and I did. I can't ever forget high school, out with the girlfriends. Dad, I want the car. Okay, right, get the car. Come home after curfew. And this time you're gonna try to be sneaky. So I'm backing into the garage. The entire driver's side scrapes along the edge of the garage. And then when I'm done like freaking out, I get out of the car, close the door, walk out to the driveway. He's sitting in a lawn chair, just watch the whole thing. Devastating. So I just handed the keys, turned around, walked inside. Every time my dad comes to town, I'm like, oh, I wish it was here. Because I know I'm gonna see the same or better face on my dad when he shows up next time. It's a slow, smooth driving car. Am I gonna hit the gas and make it roar? That's what it's made for, absolutely. But it's just, I just want to have a nice, slow ride, relaxing. I want it to ride nice. I want it to sound like it should sound. I'll be a Sunday driver, like the quintessential. We're gonna enjoy it. That's really what it's for.